Grapes. Papa.
Pap-
Papa.
Purple grapes
And green grapes.
and figs. Figs and grapes and
Blueberry.
tada! Bakit kaya tinawag na blueberry? Hindi naman siya blue. And yan, yan. Pag kinagat mo, hindi naman blue. Ano? Bebe. Ayan, pag bumibili na ako, I wash it properly and then before keeping the